The Myrtleford Alpine Rally started 9 years ago by a group of local dirt bike enthusiasts for the sole purpose of raising funds for the local football club and community needs. Since its commencement, they've raised over $600,000, which the guys have distributed between the community, charities, sporting clubs and special needs requests. This year, Honda Motorcycles jumped on board and have given away a brand new CRF 450, and all the funds raised went to Make-A-Wish Foundation. Located in the surroundings of Myrtleford and the Gaps State Forest, it's one large loop of fully marked tracks. The tracks are made to suit the intermediate rider with some optional harder sections if you're up for the challenge. The course is fully supported with marshalled checkpoints, ample sweep riders and first aid is available. The loop offers great views with a range of fire trails, ridge riding, single trails and some more challenging open flowing tracks. All the riders have the option of riding it twice and slight variations in the second loop may be in place. The track building gang are the best in the business. They know what they're doing. You just need to conquer it.